YouTube, what's going on, man? Today I got a new project. I got this PS5 that I'm gonna try to fix, and I'm gonna give it to my son. I already opened it up, but I want to show you what it has. So, looks like here's some screws, the side plate. Maybe there's some issues with the screws. Some of these are different size lengths, so probably they put them in the wrong ones, and maybe something got broken. It does have the other side plate, but the issue is there's no HDMI. It fell off the board, so it's a Hiroshima. I'm gonna try to fix it. I did plug it in. It does turn on. So next, let me get this disassembled and underneath the microscope so we can fix this. So let's see what we got. everybody. So we just replaced the HDMI and now we're gonna test it out, see if it works. Okay, it's turning on. Waiting for some signal. Okay. Anything? Oh.
Damn, son.
Okay, maybe let's stick it in all the way. Okay, guys, I did not have the HDMI pushed in all the way in, but now it's pushed in all the way in, and we got success. We got a display. I want to give a shout out to the seller, Daniel. He for the good offer, and he was very helpful seller. And now I'm just gonna test out the PS5, and my son's gonna be very happy. Thanks, guys. You have a good day.